and inside there. Right, you just do that.
What are we making?
Mấy cái phía khác này, you see everywhere.
Just go straight to Abla. What do you
Okay, right.
All right, what are we placing? 1 cup of sugar. We also mix half a cup of vinegar.
1 cup sugar.
Okay.
That, look that pepper. The pepper we need, we don't make a big spoon. That's it. Big spoon, okay? That's it, right? Right?
Yep.
That's it. That's good. That's good, sugar. That's good. That's good right there. That's good right there. I don't know how to say that. Cup of peat like that. You see it right?
Mm-hmm.
Hot food. You see that's all.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to do this.
No.
And then how you make?
I watch.
Oh, the store. They already
I
make.
have no clue.
Huh?
I don't know.
Deliver something.
Nowadays they're saying that
You see now?
Mm-hmm.
right. Is this school, you know,
What you buy from the store, okay? You come home, you make. If you don't make the pepper, you make in the jar, okay too. But the mom one make the better. Right? That's why I told you I make it different. Okay. That's like that, right? Done. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
2 limes.
You have to
I'm looking.
see that? See that? You see, right?
Mm-hmm.
What a guy try to fit more thing.
I don't know.
Okay, you do like that. Before you do, you wash a club or you wash hand with it. Like that. Like that. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put in, right? Put in, right, Savannah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have to mix together. One cup pizza.
and my storage that I rent. So obviously I need to just put my storage bins away. We have a master plan. What we're gonna do.
Cheese.
It's gonna take some time to get all the cash ready. But then my mind makes you, oh my gosh, but I want to get some of this stuff ready temporary. The thing is, I know what my
One,
thing is, I wanted to upgrade.
2,
except
3,
the wood.
let's see, 4. 1 cup mà làm mấy sẽ cả 4 đấy luôn đó, cái gì đó hết rồi.
sweet.
How many? 4.
5?
Huh?
I think that's 5.
5,
Yeah.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8. 8, okay.
Okay.
8 là mình 1 cup.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna waste your money.
Taste it. So,
I know, everybody.
More sugar.
you have to taste it. That's sugar.
Lots of sugar.
I know, I told you that. Sugar with fish sauce. Or that. Let mom cook. I cook. I don't make so much fish sauce. I don't make too much sugar. But with fish sauce, I make a lot. people make a fish sauce. They put water. I don't put water. I only vinegar and everything good. Then we sit and fresh about 1 month, 2 months. Okay, nothing wrong. Don't leave out. But people sell. They make the water.
But it can last in the fridge how long?
Hmm?
It lasts in the fridge for months?
If them are made 1 month, 5 months, sometimes whole year, okay too. Because I make the stronger. Then I make real.
Do you have to wait to use it, or can you eat it now?
Oh,
Can you eat it now?
yeah, we eat now.
Looks beautiful, Grandma.
What you say?
It looks beautiful.
You talking that I talking now already? Oh my God!
Say bye, Grandma.
Let me hear you.
Say bye.
Bye.